Hi. Yeah, I think stream is on. Um, I have like 2 hours today until, well, 4 a.m. and then I want to have a few hours of sleep till I think 6. Um, yeah, so I have 4 things I want to do and get out. First of all, I want to change the scene. And now it's not exactly made as a scene, but it is. So the idea is to change this crafting to something like this. I'm gonna save this image just not to open Discord again. Then I wanted to make additional snapping. Not sure if I wrote it right, but the script I've used at the start of this project had the snapping function in which this potion, well, it's not exactly a potion now, but I think you get it, was snapping to the center of this platform, and I've disabled it. I will return this. The third one, I want to make, well, not cell area, yes. The idea is if I drop this potion onto the customer, it sells, gives me money amount according to the class of the potion, or, well, a variable inside this class. And the problem is you have to have an option to sell only in this scene, and if you would be precise, you would be able, well, now at least, you would be able to sell it from here. Yeah, I got the money. And it's not correct. And yes, I don't like this at all. I have to make something. I think I got an idea. And additional bit. No, like if it's like 4:30 a.m. I want to start project, or maybe run project on a web. Oh, sorry. This is the things I want to make today. Oh, and yes, amount stored. The fourth, if I have like not one potion but two of them, or maybe even three. Where's the potions? Yeah, here they are in a shop room. If I would create a second potion, yes, and start the game. I've solved it. Unfortunately. No. No. I'm gonna disable this second potion. Now drag it here. I would be able to store them together here and here, and it's not right. Oh, and this might be a problem as well. Okay, think about this. So they should snap in center and not snap to the single platform. And this is the basic idea. Oh, what am I doing today? So, how do I do this? First of all, just because I already have an alchemy branch, I'll start from alchemy, and I will first I will outline the idea. For this I need paint. All right, so bright. Okay. The idea is this. I would have I'll make it like this. I will have a table. This table has like 3 ingredients. The bigger one, the closest, the smaller one in the middle, and the smallest. Nice. Mirroring on this side. And I would have a potion here, maybe some potion like, well, I can add to this anytime. So, this is the ingredients. Ingredient 1, ingredient 2, and ingredient 3. And well, button down. Mix. Okay. So, putting 3 different ingredients about different, I'll add it later, the distinction or something. Okay. And the idea is when you put 3 ingredients, they have some attribute. For example, like cures headache, or no, cures, poisons, something else. Yes, 3 ingredients. They mix into the potion. I get a potion. So, next, I have this potion. No, well, after I mix it, and I can add it to the right side. Right side is a potions. I think we had an idea where we have a library. Yes, the lowest to the right room. This one. And let's have books with recipes of each potion. So if we have, for example, poison potion, we can add it here. Well, yes, you have to cook it first or mix it first. So you look up the ingredient for the ingredients for the poison potion. You add them here. You get the poison. You drop this poison potion in one of those slots, mix, for example, well, cure for the headache or something, and mix it again. So mix the potion for the headache, and it adds the potions from here, so the poison to the mix. And now this potion have to be poisonous. So adding the attribute from these potions. These slots can be empty. These slots cannot, I think. This is the basic idea. I have to make this box the first thing. So I want to make from maybe this something completely new. I will change. First of all, I don't like the scale. Second of all, I think this would be 64 by 64 and 1 by 1. Just not to confuse myself. Second thing, I'm gonna... Oh, this already has a sprite. This will make things a bit easier. So I wanna add the script, and well, I wanna add the... No, I already have a tag in use. Alright. And I already have this. I'm gonna add the function. Func. And this would be the function. New element, for example. Pass for now. This new ingredient would have I think it would have a body type. Yeah, body. I'm gonna set active image to body dot. Oh, this is a bit body dot texture, I think. Let me check. I had it somewhere. Not exactly this, but something similar. Something that had worked with it with an image. What it was? Oh, I think customer might be it. No. Yes? No? I have no idea. Doesn't matter. Well, it does have a sprite. Oh no, it's exactly this. So I can make This is texture, and I can set it to or no. This exact script can be added here. Body texture would be in here. And I'll set in use true. No. I can try type or something. And I will add the function clear. Or clear element. And this function would have or will clear it. So texture to load nothing. I think this would work, and this would be false. This function should be called inside of ingredient. Where does all the ingredients magic happen? Body ref. Yeah, in place of this, I'll comment this for now. Oh, this is useful code. Body ref dot new element self. Yes, will this work? Looks like it will. Let me try it. Yeah, it crashed it. Okay. So self doesn't work. Unfortunate. Oh. Texture based node 2D. What exactly is node 2D in here? I've dropped ingredient. The ingredient is node 2D. And what am I using then? Oh, sprite 2D from the node 2D. Self dot get child. No. Get child. Is there an options like no, there isn't. I have to call it by name. I think I have a function to call child by name already. It was in there. Where? Here, in here. So get node And I don't think it should be called sprite 2D, but I'll leave it at that. Sprite 2D. So, will this work? Rebuild. Try again. Fail. So, it doesn't like load. Because it's an object. Maybe I'll forget about this being an object at all and just or the other way. Let me try again. This may work, or I'll make something different. Let me remove the default one from here. Like this. Now it shouldn't have any. And now it should have one. Yes. Exactly. But it didn't have color outline. This is not exactly good. Not like this. What can I do? I'll make it later. The thing I needed to know is, will it work? And it definitely is working. So I have to make a slight modification to not to here, but to this one. Not only this will be the new. Well, I'm just going to make Q3. And this should destroy the element. Yes. And now here. It's other thing I want to make is to maybe maybe I don't want to make or take the ingredient from the shelf. It should stay in place. And I'll make the duplicate. Huh. How would I make this duplicate? This is difficult. What can be okay. Let's first think about the outline. How did I get an outline here? So I'll take this code exactly and put it in here and process. Maybe now it will change something. I'll try. It doesn't. Scrap this idea. No, this code will stay in place, but I'm missing something. I'm missing something from the potion script in the ingredient script. What did I do wrong? This two doesn't affect me now. This two does. Those two. Okay. So wait a second. What about this global? It doesn't have anything interesting. That's not concerning, but odd. Yeah, that's odd. So, any global position, offset global position, yes. Global is dragging through. And here, exactly the same thing. What else? It doesn't have a sprite, but it should have its outline. How does this potion snap look like? Color rack. And how does alchemy machine look like? Sprite. Yeah. I think I see the difference. So if I would add the color rack here and make it, don't care. I just want it to be, well, not this size. And yeah, wouldn't take the other one size. Transform size will be 64 by 64 and position minus 32 by minus 32, exactly in the center. Let me see, will this change anything? Yes, it will. It destroyed it. How? And now I think I should disable the code which I initially told I would leave in here. I'll pass. Well, now those are always visible, and it's not great. Shoot. Can I make this effect only not visible? True. It should be only color rec. So add on ready var color color rec dot visible color rec dot visible. Let me test this. Doesn't exist. And now only this one does. Yeah, nice. So I'll give it this awful color. I think this one does. Or not. No, I think not this one, but the ingredients code from here. I'll disable this too and try it again. It's green. Not good. And if I disable this one, it's gonna be white, but this color doesn't be in, does not being affected. English is so difficult for me. Well, not always, from time to time. I'll close a bunch of tabs and yeah. Okay. I've checked. I think I've checked the volume, but I'm not sure. Actually, I think I'll set the color in here, and I don't want it to be green, but something similar. Well, it could be green, but more transparent, like this. Try again. Those spaces are green. This thing is enormous. Why is it so big? I think I know. The sprite is too fucking big. No, it isn't. It is. And I have to change it in code. In code where I do alchemy machine. Load this image. Active image dot scale dot y. If I set it to 05 in here, I cannot. Or maybe I can if I do this like that. Will you let me? You will not. Okay. So, how are we doing this? Sprite, scale X, scale Y, yes. So, what seems to be the problem? 05. Y. 05. Will this work? Yes, it will. Nice. And will it work according to scale of this thing? If I go to transform and do this, will this get me a different result? This one is the same, and this one... It does. Hell yeah. This is beautiful. Actually, beautiful. And now I have to make something... According to what? And what am I going to do now? I think these machines... Well, they would be the same almost. I'll put it in 03, 03 as the furthest one. 05, 05 is the closest one. And I think 05, 05 is a bit bigger. I want it to be 03, all of them. Transform 03, 03. I'll make this 3 slots. And I'll make 1 slot in the middle later. For now, I just want to have this 3. Next idea, what am I going to do with them? It doesn't matter. Ingredient. Does this ingredient have in its... Oh, it have effects. I don't want these effects to be as... well, I don't want them to be an array, actually. I want this ingredient to have only 1 ingredient. So, places where this effect plays, so here, and it's muted, and I don't think it's ever shown again, so I'm going to just make this thing a string, and the string should be exported. And there. Well, I don't need this anymore. Let me try this. Yeah. Exactly what I needed. Now, if I would make few more ingredients, yeah, this ingredient had heal as its main parameter. Have heal. Heal had 2. No, 2. Heal had 3. Yeah. And now I'm going to... Are they in the same spot? Yes, they are. I'm gonna place them like here, like this. Control S, start. I have ingredient 1, ingredient... This is bad. Not good. I haven't made any kind of protection. I think I have to make all the checks on the side of alchemy machine, so I'll make them here. This function have to return something. I'll make this by specifying bool and return. If all correct, return true. And if in use equals true, return false. This isn't the correct syntax, but I think this should be. It is not. And this shouldn't be. Don't like this. Put in function. So why doesn't this work? Maybe like this? Shouldn't be, yeah. Let me check the functions documentation. Does it have the function type? Doesn't look like. It's not great for me, actually. Yeah, I absolutely don't like it. Oh no, it does. Oh. Okay. So, does this work? It does. So, if I'm going here, if this works, I'm doing, yeah. And this is not correct. State the machine and isn't raw, something. Go and do this. And now, if I have a potion here and add another one, it doesn't work. And if I add it to here, for example, it does. So it it's working. Okay. Now, few more different parts. What else can I do? Or should I do? Or do I have to do? Do I have to? Huh. Think should have function. Yeah, I should do. If there are potions or ingredients of this type in the global inventory, it can be picked up from here. If not, then not. Then it shouldn't be. How can I do this? Already spent almost an hour on this. This is crazy. So, how can I do this? First of all, the global script, the game state, should have amount of all the ingredients we have. So, it can be a matrix, it can be something else. Does ingredient have an ID? It doesn't have an ID, but I think they should have an ID. So, how can I make this? I could skip it for now, but I don't think that's a great idea. I'll go for 1 minute. Hi. Yeah, I really should change some of this. BRB screen parts. Just in case. So, I think for the sake of my sanity, I'll move to the next part now. But I'll make a note that think this is the right idea. So, I'll not touch it for now, but the generation of the potion. Potion does have an effect. So, this potion script have the name, the cost, the image. So, potion ID, potion name, potion cost, potion image. I think I should make a separate script which creates these potions. Oh, no. Yes, yes, I should. How would this look? This script should check the ingredients and then check the list with the information about these ingredients, maybe. This list should be in, for example, CSV format. Like, how easy is to read and write CSV format in GitHub? CSV. I don't want to read and write CSV format. Yes, I don't know. Why? Well, this is simple because it should be a web application for now. And I'm not sure how will this work with the web application. I can do something else. What can I do? I can do for the test because it's testing and nothing else for now, at least. I should go to the root of the scene, root of the alchemy room, yes. Add the script just because. Create a script. I'll delete this both because I don't need them. I'm going to map this table slots as already var ingredient slot 1 equals to this one. Okay. I'll just remove those. This to this. Slot 2, slot 3. So yes. What are they? I have image and machine type. I should add a variable. No, exported variable, not already variable. Export var effect no. No, I do wanna have help. This isn't helpful. Yeah. Effect. As a string value. It seems like not correct. I completely aware, but I have no other. I have many other choices, but I don't have time. Exactly now. I will have time later, and I will add this later. And here's effect equals to nothing. This effect will be taken from here. So here. Did I call this body? Doesn't work this way. Wow. So yeah, effect in here. It's a plural. Doesn't matter. And here, I'm working with this script. This should be yeah, it doesn't do have an effect now. So I will create an array of those. So var, not the array, the list. List of effects. I think like this equals. Let me check immediately. Though list operations, item list. I think this one. I have to use add item, clear item. Oh, clearer. Okay. And examples. Do this one have examples? Don't think it's something I wanted to find. So this one. What operations do they have? And see, I can take any element and change any element. Okay. Oh, a. I'm sorry. Append array, sign or assign variant, b search. This is this method. Print 2 of the first matching. Zero, 1, 2. That's logical. So does this true or false stands for the order? If false, the return index come after the existing entries with a value in array. Yeah, it is helpful, but not enough. Be search custom. What does this mean? It is not what I need. Arrays, field, filter, find, get type, class, type, script, as, hash. Is same type close enough? Could only know map. It was a great thing, but not in this condition. Reduce, find, since. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I can just compare them? Or what? Can I actually compare to race? Yeah, so can I compare arrays? This would be a bit helpful, I think. We can try it. Because definitely can do something. Length comparison. I don't need length comparison. I need actual array comparison. Does look like it has capability to do this. Or at least I always can, well, go around it. String shortcut custom. Not interested. Operator equals compares the left operand array against the right. Turns true if sizes and contents of the array are equal. False otherwise. Well, okay. Don't see another way. Can I use sort on arrays? Sort. Yeah, I can. So I can add the ingredient. No. Second and third. And yeah, I'm not proud of this, but I'll make an example potion and make it head heal, head heal, head heal. Easy as that. From shop 1, head heal, head heal, head heal, and I will sort them according to each other. So this dot sort and this dot sort, and they are voided by this, so it's incorrect. Oh, why won't it work? Oh, because I haven't specified it as an array. Now it may just work. It is not 8. Let's look. Looks okay to me. Oh, unexpected identifier in class body. Yeah. I thought of that. Just wanted to make it a bit later. I don't think I have an option. Function. How they call it? Craft. Craft the potion. And this should fix this. Yes. And now, well, if array effects equals to example potion. Do path actually. I want to create some more logic, but for now, I think this would be enough. I think I should do this and this. And without this. Nice. This is an example. So, if they are correct, I want to create a potion. So, add child. I added the child in here, and I will just take this code, go back to here, add this here, remove this, fully remove this, and add the potion as an item. This should get on the highest possible position, so right after the alchemy background. This shouldn't be shop room in here, it should be alchemy room. So on ready bar alchemy room equals to this one. No, not this one. I have to add this thing. Less great, but that's the point. Oh, yeah. Still shop room. Now, I think I wanna rename this node to potion by name. No, I shouldn't move it at all, I think. This should be on the exact place it spawns on. Add child. Can I edit its name immediately? Doesn't look like it. Well, okay. Let's test it. This should be easy as that. I don't have a button. So dumb. Okay. I will add a button temporarily. An actual button. Add child node. Button. Create. I think I should give it some width and length. Width should be, let it be 80 by 50. Let it be 160 by 80 by 60 by 40. Yeah. Next, mix dead center. Yes. Place it roughly here. Well, as center as possible. Should be roughly in the center. Yes, it didn't crash. Now I have to add this button pressed to the, not the node, not the alchemy room, connect. And here's the place I have to call this. Can I do this? So, mix it. Nothing happened. And if I add the ingredients, mix it. Oh, I have it. Nice. Yeah, this is nice. And now, by pressing this button, I also have to find all the children of table. No, not the children of table. All the instances of alchemy machine GT. You got it? Find all instances of class. Or I can always rename them to the same name. Don't think that's a great idea. Oh, there is a function find by class. So if I do find but it's not the function I thought it would be. It's a written function which calls on itself. This is awful. Find by isn't good. Don't like this answer. It can be the only answer, but I didn't like it, so I will not use it. Different way to create this. And now I don't think this is what I need. So, my idea is what? Ingredient slot, ingredient slot, and ingredient slot. So, find by name. Or maybe not. I think I'll go the easy way now. Don't think I have to do something this crazy. Automate free slots. Clear. How did I call this? Clear element. Clear element. Will this work? I'll try this. If I go here, those two, for example, it crashes. Yay! It is very bad. Oh. Yeah, basically no instance. I know. This is the problem. This is the exact problem. This is exactly the problem. I don't know. Okay. So, these machines should have a default effect. They all have a default effect. This is the first thing. The second thing. They never had been in use. First of all, they all have to be in use. Yes? Yes. So for this button to work, I should first check and the second and the third. Oh, in place of this pass, I wanna do this. And in this case, this as well. If they are all in use, so if only two of them are, this still crashes because one of the instances doesn't exist? What the? Oh, I'm fucking moron. I'm so sorry. For everyone, this was stupid of me. I'll start again. Yes, this issue didn't have to exist at all. I'm sorry. Mix. They are cleared, and this is the potion. Okay. Now, can I do something with this potion? First of all, well, no, I don't have to. New potion crafting. I've made I will not say anything about grave mistakes or something this matter, but no, I didn't. This potion crafting system was eating all of my time. You can see that I had outlined 4 different things, like amount stored. Is there something I have to tackle now for making a new potion crafting system? Not all area is like, I don't know, 5 minutes max. Additional snapping. This is the thing I want. I don't think it's too long. I think I can do all of those in the next 35 minutes. I hope I have a capacity. I actually hope my next stream won't be a coding stream, just because, well, not that I don't like coding things, I just haven't played anything in a long time, and it's making me frustrated a bit. I want to enjoy my free time more than I do. If you think about it, it can actually sound very sad, and I won't say it's not correct. This is sad. Very sad. So, okay. Forget about this. The next thing I have to do is this. It's visible if in use equals false. And now, if I try this again, I'm occupying this slot. Oh, no, makes things a lot worse. I think I have to add this line on making the in use statement true. So here, let's try this again. If I occupy the space, yes, it doesn't light up anymore. And if I mix the potion, mix it. They're lighting up again. Add new thing. So I have to add, I think, another external. No, exported bar. We should specify the class, the type. No, not that. Don't think I can spy this from now existing script. Can I use if I add to this alchemy room free spaces a child scene of potion snap and make them the same scale? It would be even less of a scale. Well, if I add this, will this be able to snap here? No, it would not. Okay, this is great. And if I mix the potion, I would be able to snap it here. Yes. Now, I wanted to make a slight change to this script. Maybe not exactly this script, the potion script, yes. If, okay, export var export flags. This can be either we'll export enum and snap is 1, not snap is 2. Default one is 1, just because. This haven't worked because I haven't. So here is the bit of code I have edited a bit. If not undroppable, not inside is droppable. If is there a construct of else if? So it's if inside is inside droppable, and body reference dot snap do. Do I get body reference position anywhere? I do not. Create twin action face. Else if it doesn't work, so else and if are separate. Well, they may work, but I'll have to try it later. Body reference. How do I get this body reference? Get node position, go. Yeah.
The sequel.
Oh. Hi. You've scared me. Yeah. I'm not going to be here for long, because it's 3:35.
Hey, smiley face.
I have to wake up at 6 a.m. to go to work, so I have very little to...
It's 1:35 here.
Well, doesn't affect me. I still have to wake up at 6. I'll stream till 4 a.m. Hopefully I will end this list.
I was just saying LMAO.
Yeah. So, I'm doing something very... Oh, global position. Yeah, this one. I do need this one. Will this work? Let me try.
I got my weapon switching to work 2 minutes ago.
Oh, nice. And I'm making a mess. Yeah.
I'm doing Doom Sprite guns, why no?
Doom Sprite. Hell. 1 second. Second instance. One minute. Something like this. Shit. Made it this sprite weapons this fucking delusional. Okay.
Yes, like this.
They're so fun to work with. Okay, don't need this one. Working here.
2D on 3D world.
Yeah. Not that this is very complicated, but switching between them, I've actually made, I think it's part of the UI, and I have actual 3D gun attached to the character, and it's just invisible. Why not? Oh, yeah, I was testing the snapping. Yes.
Why?
Works here. Um, it was the
I'm so
easiest way.
confused.
It was the easiest way to make. Oh, it does work, but broke a bit. It was the easiest way because
No, it's not.
I knew how to make a 3D gun work, and I didn't want to.
You can just do big raycasts outwards.
Yes, I know. Well, raycasts. You're talking about how is it called? I want to call it screenshot, just because I'm just talking about the projectiles. It's I know I can make a raycast.
I'm so confused.
Yeah, I know. This is very confusing. I'm sorry. I will work on this demo
The
later.
layers.
Let's just say I will work on this demo later, and I will fix my I don't know, how would you call it in English? Um Backdoors? I don't know. The things I made I haven't supposed to. Yeah. So
Mistakes.
oh, well, you can call them mistakes, but I would call this a feature of some kind, some sort. Uh, Mistake is a harsh word, you know. Yeah, I made snapping optional. Does it work? It still snaps. I don't want this to snap. Why? Why does it work like this?
Ha 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 ha, I said that about my infinity wall jump.
Oh, yeah. I can say it about like half of my works, just because in a daily life I'm like working with well, you know the ERP Info.
Go to YouTube and search full bong grip.
You know what Info is? ERP Info. It's like enterprise system for big manufacturing. Like in my case, it's ship manufacturing. Um, so this program is a piece of garbage. It doesn't have half of functionality. Works on the uh, language which doesn't have any um, live forums online, etc. So I can't even Google my problems, and half of the time I have to make features which doesn't necessarily have to work there. Yeah.
Chat GPT lol.
ChatGPT doesn't know the info. Like, I can ask him. Like, yeah,
Bro.
I know. It's actually hard.
WTF is this language? Search my YouTube, you can see the movement I made.
I'll check it later. I have a very strict time limit. Binary P system were known for their flexibility and uh, this is so not true.
Okay. Why is it light mode?
Oh, because I haven't done anything. You see that I'm not logged in or signed in. I cannot because country restrictions. I actually don't think I can legally use the ChatGPT in Russia.
Get dark mode extension.
I have a few, I just don't use this browser for anything um, associated with, I don't know, work? I don't know what I'm saying. I had dark mode extension installed. I think I wiped it.
Why can't you use Chat GPT?
Um, there are reasons. For example, here, without the VPN, unable to load the site. There are few options, not options. There are few possible reasons. First of which is Roskomnadzor. It's like Russian governmental thing which blocks sites. Um, they basically are the Russian DNS server through which every possible internet connection goes through. So if you don't use VPN, you go through their DNS servers. They can block.
Slav life is so shit song.
Yeah, no. Actually, uh, today I've learned that Google News are on the same list. I cannot read them. Oh, I do have some kind of VPN. Yeah, Google News are not available as well in Russia, uh, as well as many other sites. But I have an advantage a bit in this Slav life, etc. I don't have how's it called?
Because of war.
I don't have ads on YouTube. Yeah, it's because of war, special operation as they call it. Stupid thing, but it exists, and I cannot do anything about this. Well, doesn't really matter. Um, so what did I want to do here? Yeah, snap. If snap is 1 or 2, it should 0 or 1. And the 0 is the default. Let me try
I
again.
think it was stupid because NATO, right? Or is it illegal for you to say Putin is stupid?
I would say everyone have its ideas, etc. Well, he's wrong from your perspective. From our perspective, it looks a bit different. You can, I would say, most of Russian people do root for the Putin, and I'm personally not against him because uh, he did many right things
No,
in
I
his
don't
life.
think anyone wrong. I just think because NATO it was dumb to start the war.
Yes, but uh, no one would start this war if it wouldn't be financially advantageous to them. I I can speak actually. I have to drink my coffee.
Financial gain.
Yeah, not only financial. Wars add popularity to current leaders. Add um, how was it called? Um, internal stability to the countries. I remember there was a point where I think it was French and England which were,
I actually hope Putin wins the war.
well, I think it would just last for 6 more years until the next leader, and next leader just would drop this war. I think, actually, I don't know. I'm not a
Oh,
politician.
that makes sense.
Yeah, just an idea. I have, uh, well,
See US waste of resources.
not only US, Russia actually lost a lot of resources on this war. Well, let's maybe pivot uh, from this theme, just because politics and coding doesn't.
No, I says because, but it said it wrong.
Yeah. Oh well. What happens, happens.
A cock, we move on.
Yeah. Politics is not the best theme. What do you think about the music? I can change it.
Okay, not cock.
Okay. No, I can tell you what I'm making. This is an example. It's from another game. I will not tell its name.
I didn't hear the music, I had it turned down.
Oh, okay. Never mind then. We are making the same visual concept as this. Like we have free spaces for our ingredients. The central for the potion we are creating, and the 3 additional spaces on the right for additional potions.
You stealing the UI. XD.
No, not stealing the UI. But adapting the concept. Uh, I know, all of this looks
Closely
shitty.
remaking.
Uh, Closely remaking. We're adapting the ideas and, well, not adapting the ideas. We're creating something new based on the existing ideas. The main,
Using it as inspiration.
yes. The thing is, at least this is not the main part of the game. Main part of the game is, well, its story, which I'm not writing, so it should be great. Yeah. The best selling point of this game is just I'm not making it. It's not my fault, or it's not my responsibility, so it will look great. Friend is making
Lol.
some arts for this game. For example, this thing he made from I don't know, 3 different.
The best part of this game is I'm not making it.
Oh yeah, I know. Said I while coding this. I'm very bad with uh, stories. It's not my thing. I don't know what to tell you.
So you just making the UI?
I'm making all the mechanics which will be essential for this game. So
You need to go to bed.
I know I have to, but I wanna understand why snapping happen. If I would, for example, add this here, if it's equals to 0, run, test, snapping disabled, and don't need this, I need this. Snapping enabled. Yeah, I got it. Nice. I should actually should should git add all. Oh shit. Yeah, git commit. Um mm, I don't know. I'm not the okay. And I have to create this branch. And I actually think I have to don't have any time left. Wow. Well, I did this, I did this, I did not do this one. Yeah. It's almost done. And it's not done. Well, something like this. I will try to continue this whole thing tomorrow when I'm back from my workday. Ah, this is hot. Not very hot. I have 2 hours sleep. Okay. So, thank you for coming here. Very grateful. Yep. As always, I'm streaming Friday and Sunday. Pretty unspecified time because each week it's something new. I had to adapt to this schedule. Right. So, yeah. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye. I'm going to sleep.